I picked this facial tool up, and it's an upgrade from the stone versions I've tried before. This is made with stainless steel. Right away, it is sleek, it is elegant, and it is spa-like with a naturally cool touch that really makes it feel indulgent from the first use. I had to research the proper way to do this, but once I researched the proper way, it is definitely, this is part of my self-care routine. The high-end luxury feel, the cooling sensation, it all adds that calming spa-at-home vibe. The stainless steel is hygienic, it is easy to care for, and this tool definitely is a simple skincare routine, and it turns it into a self-care ritual, a self-care moment. And self-care is so important. It is soothing, it is relaxing, and it feels like a little luxury in your bathroom for just a couple minutes. Even if the results with this take time, the experience itself is so worth it. I highly recommend.